Emily, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new computer. Here it is, and I'm unboxing it today on camera because who doesn't love to see a computer unboxing video? So today I'm going to be unboxing my computer and of course setting it up. Okay, hi, future Emily popping in. Before I get started in this video, I wanted to let you know that I'm doing a Q&A soon. I've mentioned this in a few of my videos, so comment any questions that you have for me to answer below. Also, if you comment a question, then I will give you a little shout out in my Q&A video, so definitely go do that. And the video will be coming out shortly. Anyways, back to the video. So I got this computer because it's going to be good to use in college, and also it's really great for editing. So I'm super excited to be able to now start using a computer to edit my videos because I currently use my phone. And yeah, so basically we have this computer and I'm going to be unboxing it. So let's just start right now. So this would be my Apple computer. I don't remember if I got the Air or the Pro, but those were the two that I was looking at. So it's one of them. So let's unbox it right now. Okay, so here's the box. It is in fact the Macbook Air, and if you can't tell, it's golden. Okay, now to open up the box. Here it is. Oh, we've got a tab. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm very glad that it's more of a rosy gold color because, I mean, it's kind of coppery, kind of rosy, but I think it's very pretty. So let's open it up. Oh, it's turning on. Ooh, it's very slim and kind of small. Oh, it's cute. Okay, so now it's telling me how to set it up, but I'm going to wait a second and finish unboxing it before I set up the computer.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
No. Okay, so in the box we also get first the instructions, I guess, with, of course, oh, they're actually gold, so that's fun. Okay, so we've got instructions, or user's manual, I guess. What else is in here? Then of course we've got the charger and cord, and they're both wrapped up nicely. They're really all about presentation. Everything's all wrapped up and sealed and stuff. Okay, so we've got the cord and the charger. And I don't think there should be anything else in here. Okay, so that's basically everything. It comes with the computer, the charger, instruction guide, and stickers. So let's begin setting up the computer. Okay, so the next thing to do would be setting up my computer, so you should be seeing that right now. And so basically I had to go through and choose a language, country, and different things like that. I also set up Wi-Fi and iCloud and those types of things. And then the next thing they had me do was set up Siri, and so you will see me doing that right now. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Next, I had to set up my fingerprint in the Touch ID because I can use my fingerprint to sign into different things instead of having a password. And so I set that up now. After that, they had me enter my bank information for paying for things. And then I also set up a theme for the screen, what I wanted it to be. After that, we were finally in the computer, and so it had a bunch of apps already installed. And so I just went through each app and set it up. I had to go in and individually set up my iCloud information for different apps like the Photos and even the Notes app and other things like that. So I just set up all that, as well as my phone number into my computer and everything. And then in the end, I also went and installed a few other apps that I wanted to have on my computer. Also, the last thing that you didn't see it here, but I did change my background screen image, and I will show you at the end of this video what everything looks like once I'm done downloading other apps and deciding what I want on my computer. So next you're going to see me unboxing another package that I got for my computer, so let's do that right now. Okay, so I finished setting up my computer and I ordered this, so it's a few days later. So this is just stuff for my computer, so I'm just going to unbox it on camera because that's fun. I'm looking at my computer. Okay, we've got my computer and we've got the package. Okay, so I have two things. Which should we do first? How about this one? So I got a case for my computer. So this would be a hard shell case just from Amazon. I I might link it in the description. I just got a clear case because that's what I wanted. Also, it'll match my phone case because that's clear as well. And it'll show off the color of the computer because I got gold for a reason. Okay, so here's the case. Didn't have to do me like that. Did they really? Okay, we've got the case. Let's see if I know how to do this. I don't know how to do this, but it also comes with a little cleaning wipe and 2 different keyboard sticker thingies to keep them clean. I don't know what you call them. Oh, and I think this is a screen thing, screen protector. Let's do the keyboard thing first. I'm gonna wipe it all down. My new handy little wipe thing. And it looks like it is turned on. Is that it? Does it stay? Oh no, it's for the wrong, how does that even happen? Wait, they have 2. Ah, I got you. They gave me 2 of these. This one should fit my computer. The other one's for a different version. I don't know why they did that, but. Okay, I guess we do the screen next. My fingerprints won't come off. Whatever, it doesn't matter that much. Okay, so up here, wait, do I stick, hold on. Okay, it goes like this. Yeah, maybe I go like this. Couldn't tell you. Okay, so first, what part am I sticking? Oh, so bad. I don't know which way this goes, but. And it just clicks, click. That's it. Okay, bottom piece now, okay. We got a computer case now, nice and shiny. Next thing, so my computer, I got the MacBook Air instead of the MacBook Pro. I guess I didn't do enough research and I didn't know that the MacBook Air did not have a SD card slot, so I had to order an adapter. If I can open this, okay, I got my scissors. Here's what it looks like. It's pretty basic. I tried to get a cute one, but they didn't have a cute one that matched my computer that had everything that I wanted in it. Let me get my SD card real quick. Ooh, you better fit. I think you'd be fine. Okay, so it looks like you can put an SD card in it, a micro SD card, and then a plug like this. This is my phone charger, and you can plug that in as well. And then I can charge my phone from my computer if I needed to. So yeah. And then this will just stick into the side of my computer like that, and it'll just dangle off while I'm using it. So yeah, I have my little adapter, the beautiful computer case. I actually think I really like it. And then screen protector is a little bit messy at the moment, but I'll try to get all the bubbles out. And then the little keypad thingy isn't very secure, so it would definitely fall off if like you put it upside down. But it should stay in there if I'm doing regular things, and it should protect my keypad. Anyways, I finished setting up my computer and everything, and I'm gonna like show you what it looks like probably in the next clip. I basically just like added all the apps that I wanted so far and set up my iCloud and stuff. Also changed some of like the back screens and personalized it a tiny bit. Okay, hey everyone, so here is my computer and of course the little adapter that I got with it. So you should have just seen everything that I set up on my computer. Also definitely let me know in the comments if you want to see like a what's on my MacBook video, because I could definitely tell you everything that I keep on it. But so far I have been enjoying editing. I've edited a few videos. I haven't posted any of them yet. But by the time this is up, you probably would have seen a few that I've edited on this computer, and I will link one in the corner so you can go check it out, see if you like the new editing style. And I think it's so much faster and easier to edit on this. Sometimes it does end up getting like laggy, or like the rainbow circle will come up and you won't be able to do anything. But on my phone it's so much worse because of like storage and the amount of footage and stuff for different videos. But I do think there's so much more that I can do on this with editing using just iMovie. Like on my phone I had like multiple different apps that I would use, and I would like save one video from one app onto my phone, upload it to another app and do that, and it was just a long process. Still experimenting though, but I do enjoy it so far. So anyways, that's going to be all of this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Definitely like if you enjoyed it, as well as go check out some of my other videos, because if you like this one then you might like some some others as well. Also subscribe by hitting the button below the screen or the icon on the corner if you're using a computer. And you can turn my post notifications on to get notified every time I post. I post every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday whenever I can. And so I will see you next time that I post. Bye!